So I filmed the whole video, but then it disappeared. So this is the remake of that video. But now I know what's in the game, so we're gonna play Urbis Island Life. Which now I know what's in the game. If you hear the noises in the background, that's the dog that I'm dog sitting right now. That's him, and he wants to get on my lap, but I said no, get back up here. Sorry, but that's gonna be him in the background. So if you hear him in the background, then please sit back on your chair. So when I'm in the game, I will actually play it again because it takes a few minutes. So I'll be in the game in a little bit. So I think I have to skip the intro. Okay, so I know what my house looks like because I was playing this. Oh, what is this? I've never had that happen to me before. Oh, that's because I'm in the basement. So I am in the basement right now, but that's not my favorite place to be. So what we can do is oh my goodness. I forgot I had a basement. But like this doesn't look like a basement. But I love the flooring. That's my favorite. Okay, so I think there's a TV on this side. Okay, I'm gonna reset so that I'm out of my house and then I don't have to wait to get out of my house. But that I'm still gonna take less time. And that would be really nice. And so I don't know what this is gonna be like. Hopefully oh yeah, it teleports me here. So we're gonna find a job and we're gonna probably buy a car. If you cannot see how much money I have like 40,000. I'm rounding up. I have 37,000. So if I am too loud, sorry. Warning headphone users. Um I really usually so these are where the cars are. Okay, that's our puppy. Stop it, puppy. Stop it, puppy. Stop it, stop it, stop it, puppy. So I'm gonna buy the cheapest car, and I think that's $900. I'm very sick right now, so this game is being really. I do not know when this video is going up because this game is so. Let's pick a random game. So this is not loading. So when I get into the next game, which nobody's gonna know what the next game is, I will play it again. So when I'm in the next game. Okay, I got into a different game, and I just have to water my plants. My puppy wants to get out. don't think so. Because I didn't see this one before. But not this short. Little button. I don't want to share his name on camera. I'm just gonna reset real quick. I'm gonna sell these 2 flowers because what's the matter is I don't come on for a few days and then they never skip over this for you guys. So and I will. So this guy doesn't realize I'm filming a YouTube video. So he said you, and then I said me, and then I said what? Can you please let me need? Like question mark. In? Like, do you want to go inside my house? I think that's what he's beating, but I'm not gonna let him in my house. I'm gonna say why my house. So I don't know why he wants to go in my house, but I will mock it. And let him in, but and then I'm gonna lock it. I'm saving up for the popcorn maker right now. So I'm gonna go shopping. Shopping. So I don't know where my puppy is. I think he's on the floor. Stop it, please. Stop it now. Stop it. Stop it, little buddy. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it, little buddy. Shop and attic shop. So I think I'm gonna do entertainment. So yes, it's here. Purchase. Whatever purchase. Now I have like no money. So a ball pit can be right here. It can just be like this and be like the fun room maybe. And this actually won't be a bedroom, but it was supposed to be a bedroom. So this was supposed to be a bedroom, but now it's a fun room and yeah, now what I'm saving up for is now we can spread this out a little bit, but not too much, because we still have to put a entertainment. We still have to put a bouncy castle in. I'm so excited. Purchase. So hopefully I have enough. I do not know what I'm gonna buy next, but hopefully I gotta buy something next. So hopefully this fits in this room. It's gonna be a lot of stuff going on, but I think it will work. No, So I'll have to move this stuff kind of around, and then move everything back into like corners. Move everything back into corners and stuff like that. So I can put this over here. So that is still my puppy, or the little dog we're babysitting, whichever one you want to call it. And he does not want to shut up. Sorry, if you don't like that word, you probably should get off my channel. Now say shut up a lot. Shut up. So I think that is just too much for them. But we can put this thing over. I was hoping that that this thing was not plus, and I was like, yes, the popcorn maker, because like only plus people had it when I looked, but now I see that everybody has a popcorn maker. Now I had to jump on that train and get a popcorn maker, because popcorn makers are real cool. This person will not be able to see, but who cares? Sorry, I said 2017 because I'm like stuck in the past. So hopefully, you can get I'm gonna sell my puppy's issue, and then it's probably gonna be. We'll probably have to make a part 2 of this video because it took 20 minutes to find the right stupid game. So, let me pause it and go deal with my puppy. Come back here. I think I solved the Bobby's issues. Hopefully that guy's out of my house. If he's not, I'm gonna be mad. What?
Please take him out in a couple minutes.
So I have to take the dog out, and then we are actually going to play a different game. So hopefully we can have more than one game. So thank you guys for watching.